Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Indian English Master. Today I have taken two words again, wake up and get up. Get up. And I will give you the differences between them in the very simplest way, short way and in an organized way so that you don't have to watch any other videos for that difference. Let me begin. Wake up. When you wake up, you open your eyes. You stop sleeping or you are still on the bed, and this is the first step you do after sleeping in the morning, right? And when we talk about get up means you're not on the bed, you physically leave the bed or get out of the bed after waking up. So this is the simple difference, friends. I think you're getting something. Wake up means you're on the bed, your eyes are open, you stop sleeping, right? And get up means you are not on the bed, you physically leave the bed after waking up. And you start your other work. You start your day. This is the simple difference. And if you haven't understood yet, let me give you the practical example coming up. Okay friends, this is the practical example to show you the difference between wake up and get up. This is the daytime, but suppose it's the night time and I am sleeping. My eyes are closed. My alarm goes off and I wake up, right? I wake up. My eyes are open. I stop sleeping and I am still on the bed, right? This is the example of wake up. And when we talk about get up, that means I get up like this. I am not on the bed. I get up, right? This is the bed. Here, I am not on my bed. Right now, I am out of the bed or I left the bed. So, this is the example of get up. I hope you have understood. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.